Beware of confirmation bias. Confirmation bias is seeing what you want to see, convincing yourself of non-reality. And what we focus on at Charting Wealth so much is seeing what's real, focusing on price movement and following confirmed trends. I have a great quote for you. There are only two ways to be quite unprejudiced and impartial. One is to be completely ignorant. As an aside, we don't want to be ignorant. The other is to be completely indifferent. That is the way we want to be as potential traders and investors. Now, lastly, bias and prejudice are attitudes to be kept in hand, not attitudes to be avoided. In other words, we want to recognize our potential for bias and prejudice. When we recognize those things, what do we then focus on? My friends, we focus on technical analysis, which is charting, which is what we talk about every day at the channel, which is what all of our training is about. Weekly vertical crossovers that occur time and time again on our weekly chart. It's a gold line, a gold vertical line that you see. When we have crossovers on our charts of that nature, that means a confirmed substantial trend has started, typically in another direction. Sometimes we have a bounce off the red signal line, but typically there's a crossover. Our blue price percent oscillator crosses over the red signal line, and when it does up or down, that is our signal to start looking for the opportunity to follow a new trend. And again, we're looking for our indicators, just like a pilot who's flying a plane who goes into the clouds, can't really see what's going on, has to trust his instruments to get him where he wants to go, to not run into a power line or a mountainside, to not get off course. That's what we do over and over again. We don't trust our feelings. Feelings will make sure that you have a losing practice trade. It is nothing about feelings. It's nothing about hunches. It's nothing about predicting. We don't try to predict the turn. We let the turn up or down happen, and then once it is confirmed, we then rely on all of our indicators all the time, all of our charts all the time, the weekly, the 2-day, and the 4-hour, the price percent oscillator, the derivative oscillator, the Heiken-Ashi Candlesticks, the Bollinger Bands, the Trendlines. These are our main indicators, and we use all of them on all three charts to help us see what is real. You can always talk yourself into a trade. You can always talk yourself into staying in a losing trade. What you have to do is continue to practice. Use your trade worksheets. That's what we give those to you for. You'll see those in the show notes to this video. They're every day in the show notes that we send out every day that we analyze the markets. If you're not signed up for and aren't receiving our daily reviews, you can do that for free. Chartingwealth.com. I urge you to go there, sign up. You'll get our 10 to 15 minute training where we analyze on a daily basis 4 ETFs, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, 20-year bonds, and gold. So you can follow those with us. You can learn as you go. We want you to practice trade over and over and over again and figure out how this works. 10 to 15 minutes a day, that's all it takes. That's all we ask. If you will do that day in and day out, you will figure this out. We want to help you do that. But again, you have to continue to focus on what's real, not what you want to see. If you do that, you're just going to be living in a delusion. You're going to find yourself short. Over and over and over again, the market is not going to work for you, and you will soon find yourself frustrated and you will give up. We don't want that. So again, chartingwealth.com. We're happy to have you with us. Follow us every day, 10 to 15 minutes. Get rid of confirmation bias. See reality as it is. Focus on price movement and established trends because they are your friends. God bless. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.